Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is English for grade 2, and we are learning period number 4, and its title is Mobile Phone. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, we will learn about reading skills under the title of grammar on page number 32 and 36. Okay, my dear students, we will learn about reading skills and we will cover up these two pages and different questions are there. Okay. Before in English for grade 1, already we have learned about like punctuations, articles, and we have also consonant blends. We got a lot about our reading skills. So today we are going to get more about it. Follow the sequence in a simple procedure or a picture map. Spell simple 2-3 syllable words. Take dictation of familiar words learned in class. So today we are going to cover about this syllable. So before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Ibrahim, verse number 32, it is Allah who created the heavens and the earth and sent down rain from the sky and produced thereby some fruits as provision for you. So subhanallah, my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us that who created this whole world and how Allah Almighty has created, and after that Allah Almighty has sent rain, different fruits, different things for us, as that we can eat them and we can nourish ourselves and others. Okay, so these all are the countless blessings of Almighty Allah, my dear students. We cannot count them, that how much Allah has blessed us. Okay, so we must thankful to Almighty Allah every time, everywhere. Okay, so let's see now. We are going to, what is a sequence? A sequence means the following of one thing after another. Okay, this is called sequence, means 1, 2, 3. In this way, when we are moving step by step, so this is called sequence. So you can see that here when we are getting our alphabets like A, B, C, D and till Z. So this is called sequence. Here is another example for you. You can see that when we are preparing a sandwich, okay, so then also we are following a sequence. See there, in this way, eggs required, this thing, these things, and then we are going to learn of that. Everything that we are doing in sequence, that is appropriate and actual. See there, another, you can see a sequence means the following of one thing after another. Already I have told you. See there, you can see. Got it? Look, wash cabbage in cold water, quarter cabbage into veg, blend cabbage, soak in ice bath, dry cabbage and freeze in sealed bags. We can seal that cabbage. Okay, this is the process, step by step, how we can get that and how we can seal it. Okay, this is example that how we can show sequence. Here also there is a sequence, means same things are there. And when you are going to bake cakes, so how you can bake flour, and then we are going to set it, and then we are going to knead it. See there, we have prepared, we have kept in oven, start, and we got out. Now cakes are ready. So this is the step. When we are following a steps in a sequence, so then definitely we will get everything properly. Okay, here is another, same like that. You can see that, my dear students, different steps are there to make a burger. Wow, do you like burgers? Yes, sandwich burgers in this way. So see there, yes, even, have you got that, which this picture is being shown? Yes, 4 seasons are there. They are also coming in sequence. How? See there, yes, wow, summer, autumn, you can see winter and spring. These are also in sequence. So everything is in sequence. Even Allah Almighty, that already I have mentioned, that Allah Almighty have blessed us a very thing. First He prepared the all, managed the whole earth, and after that giving us provision. So this is being done all in sequence. So now it's an activity time. So what you have to do, you have to follow the procedure of making a paper board and make your paper board. So you have to follow the procedure, my dear students. what you have to do, you have to make a paper board, and these all are steps, my dear students. My dear teacher, you have to give them. First, what you have to do, you have to take a paper and then you have to fold the paper. Okay, after folding, you will get it in this way, in a like half circle way. You can get it, and then look there how we have molded it, and in this way, step by step, by following, at the end we got a paper board. Okay, in this way. So perform this activity in your class, prepare a paper board, and then come back. Good job, very good, excellent. I hope now you have done. So otherwise I will also make a paper board for you, my dear students. So look there, wow, it is also floating in water. See there, so beautiful. Okay, now question number 7 is there. Encircle the correct spelling of the given words. You have to encircle the correct spellings of the given words on page number 32. Okay, pause the video and perform this activity in class. Good job, I hope you have done it. Okay, I'm also going to do, yeah, like word. Okay, calculator. Yes, calculator. Invention. Invention. Communication. Communication. This is, okay, have you done it? Good. Let's see, dictation time. Now what you have to do, my dear teacher, you have to read the text again, learn spellings of difficult words, take out your notebooks, prepare our pages, and get ready for dictation time. Okay, my dear teacher, you have to get few words and then you will give to your students as a dictation. Okay, so this is activity for students and you will get this in your class. So pause the video and get this activity in your class. So welcome back, my dear teachers and my dear students. I hope now you have done what's our proposed homework. There is a project, make a poster of saving earth. Think of some ideas and how you can save the earth. Draw images on a chart and display it in the class. So my dear teacher, you can also help to your students if they are not able to do at home. So you must get it in your classroom and then perform it nicely. Okay. So this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below, my dear students, and provide to your students in printed form, and see and follow how we can follow a procedure to make a snowman. Okay. So what we have learned? We learned that a sequence means the following of one thing after one another. We also learned to follow sequence in a simple picture map. Or in this way, we have covered up our this SLO. So my dear students, I hope today's lecture you have enjoyed. So tomorrow with a new lecture, we will meet soon, inshallah. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.